Welcome to Elite Data. This video is about camera from different countries. Samsung from South Korea, Navman from New Zealand, Ferrania from Italy, Olympus from Japan, Pentax from Japan, Casio from Japan, Agfa Photo from Germany, DJI from China, GoPro from United States, Litro from United States, Philips from Netherlands, Epson from Japan, Nikon from Japan, Rollei from Germany, Leica from Germany, Minox from Germany, Sigma from Japan, GE from United States, Blackmagic from Australia, Thomson from France, Fujifilm from Japan, Konica from Japan, Red Digital Cinema from United States, Traveler from Germany, HP from United States, Yashica from Japan, Bronica from Japan, Vision Tech from Canada, Hasselblad from Sweden, Kodak from United States, Fujica from Indonesia, BenQ from Taiwan, Medion from Germany, Phase 1 from Denmark, Agfa from Belgium, Sony from Japan, Panasonic from Japan, Zenit from Russia, Ari from Germany, Canon from Japan, Ricoh from Japan, Bell & Howell from United States, Contax from Germany, Tevion from Germany, Praktica from Germany, Insta360 from China, Vivitar from United States. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Elite Data for more such videos.